Today, Nortel Networks is changing the way businesses communicate.
Here come old Flat Top.
He come grooving up slowly.
He got Juju Eyeball. He won Holy Roller. He got hair down to his knee. Got to be a joker.
He just do what he please. He wear no shoe shine. He got toe jam football. He got monkey finger.
He say, I know you. You know me. One thing I can tell you is you've got to be free. Come together right now.
Bringing it all together with the true power of the internet.
Come together.
Nortel Networks.
Right now.
How the world shares ideas.
Over me.